charges 0.1 coulomb are each placed at the corners of an equilateral triangle of side 1 meter. If the energy is supplied to the system at a rate of 1 kilowatt, how much time is required to move one of the charges onto the midpoint of the line joining the two charges? Let me consider there are three charges, that is A, B and C. All three of them are of 0.1 coulomb. Okay, that is, I can say that all three of them are of charge Q and the distance between them initially is same, that is equal to R. Now one of the charge, let us say A, is moved from this point to the center of the other, okay, to the center of the other. Okay, so over here, in order to do that we have to provide certain energy. This energy provided will be equal to difference of potential energy. Okay, that is the difference of potential energy in the first configuration to the difference of the energy to the energy in the second configuration, which is equal to potential energy 2 minus potential energy 1. Okay, now this is the energy provided. So the time required to attain this potential energy 2 will be equal to energy per unit time is equal to PE2 minus PE1 divided by T. We have to calculate this value of small t. Okay, now let us first find out the potential energy in the first configuration. Potential energy in the first configuration will be simply given as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 Q3 divided by R plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q3 divided by R. Okay, and in the second configuration also it will remain same, but the values of the R will change. So in the initial configuration, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to 9 into 10 to 9. Q1, Q2 and R, all these three values are basically same. So I can basically multiply it as 3 into Q1 into Q2, which is written as Q square divided by R. Okay, now in this case Q square is, this will be equal to multiplied by 3, okay, into Q square. Q square is equal to 0.1 into 0.1, which is equal to 10 to minus 2 divided by R is equal to 1, which is equal to 27 into 10 to minus 7. Okay, 27 into 10 to minus 7. This is the potential energy in the first configuration, joules. Okay, this potential energy will be obtained in joules. Okay, let us find out the potential energy in the second configuration. Okay, let us find out the potential energy in the second configuration. In the second configuration also, if you consider the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and Q1 Q2 will be constant, but now the R will change. Now the distance between this two will be equal to half. Distance between these two will be equal to half, and between the first and the third will be equal to 1. So basically it will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, which is equal to 9 into 10 to 9 into Q1 Q2, which is equal to 10 to minus 2. Q1 Q2 can also be taken as common, which is equal to 10 to minus 2 into 1 divided by 1 by half plus 1 divided by 1 by half plus 1. Okay, because the third distance over here is equal to 1, which is equal to, in this case it will be equal to 9 into 10 to 9 into 10 to minus 2. 2 and 2 will go in the numerator. It will be equal to, basically it will be equal to 2 plus 2, which will be equal to 4, 4 plus 1, which will be equal to 5. So 9 into 5 will be equal to 45 into 10 raised to minus 10 raised to 7. Okay, it will not be equal to minus 7, it will be basically equal to 7. Okay, in both this configuration it will be equal to 7. So this will be equal to 10 raised to minus 2. Okay, so 27 into 10 raised to 7, 45 into 10 raised to 7. Okay, in both this, and it will be equal to joules. So now let us substitute both these values. Let us plug in both these values in the first equation. The energy provided per unit time is given as 1 kilowatt, which is equal to 10 to 3, is equal to, it will be equal to 45 minus 27 into 10 to 7 divided by time t. So t will be equal to 45 minus 27, which will be equal to 18 divided by 10 to 3 into 10 to 7. So this will come out to be, t will come out to be 18 into 10 to 4 seconds, or 18 into 10 to 4 seconds. This is the time required to bring the charge in the second configuration.